Today's tutorial about Canva's small but mighty power tools is how to use the Canva lock feature. There are three big benefits of using the lock feature. Number one, it will stop certain elements moving around on your template. For example, if I want to move the iPad and the record player on this template, I need to select them with my cursor. The trouble is, I can't just select the iPad and the record player. I've selected a whole load of other elements as well, which I really don't want to move. So to make sure that these elements don't move around, I'll select them individually. I go to the top right-hand corner of my Canva toolbar and I'm going to select the lock icon. Click it once to lock this particular feature, and you'll see here there's a little tiny lock icon and it says this element can't be edited, so it can't be moved either. So I'm going to do the same for all the elements that I don't want to move. Lock, and then that stays in place. Do the same with my text and this little feature here. So now hopefully I will just move the iPad and the record player, and that is all. So I select them with my cursor, and there you are. Nothing else moves around apart from those two elements. The lock feature is also really handy if you're sharing templates with a team, with students online, or with a client. So if you want to share a template and you don't want certain elements from being moved accidentally, just use the lock icon. And now when I go to share this template, I'm confident that these elements cannot be moved around. The third benefit of using the lock feature is if you want to do a really quick copy and paste of certain elements from one page to a new page. So say for instance I want to copy and paste these corner features to the new page. All I have to do is run my cursor over those features and then copy them. But unfortunately you can see I've picked up certain other elements that I don't want to copy. So you've guessed it, all I need to do is lock these into place on my template. So now all I need to do is run my cursor over these corner features, right click, select copy, go to my fresh page, right click again and select paste. And there you go. My corner features have been copied and nothing else. And that's it for the lock feature. I'm sure it's something that you'll use time and time again when designing in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll leave you with some more of my Canva tutorials.